How you doing? Chef Nate here, and so today we made a sea salt and cracked black pepper calamari ring. We used another fantastic product for Harvest of the Sea. We sauteed up a little bit of zucchini, some yellow squash, some pepperoncinis, a little bit of garlic and some capers. Sauteed that up, a little bit of our Seitenbacher lemon oil.
We paired that with a nice spicy caper aioli that we used with a hot chili oil.
And just making a very simple aioli using egg yolks, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of vinegar, and our chili oil to give it that nice spicy kick for you and your family to enjoy.